Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to see your Wi-Fi password on Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are in our Windows, and the first thing that we need to do in order for us to see our Wi-Fi password is going to start menu, and then from here we're going to go and type in the search bar network, and then we can see the network status right here in the system settings, and we want to click on that. And then from here, you want to click here on Network and Sharing Center right here just below the Advanced Network settings. So click on it right here, and then from here, you want to go into the connections. And as you can see, it says here Wi-Fi. This is my Wi-Fi name. So click on the Wi-Fi name right here. And then from here, you want to go into the wireless properties right here, and then click on security, and then you can see the network security key here. And all you have to do now is basically just click on show characters right here, and then it would automatically show the characters right here. It means your Wi-Fi password right here. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. As long as you have the admin privileges, then you can view it right here. So that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.